When people talk about expanding clinical research in Africa, they often focus on infrastructure, technology, policy, and investment. But clinical research is ultimately built by people. Every protocol, every participant, every sample, every dataset. Behind each is a team committed to delivering research that changes lives.
As clinical operation, our main goal is to ensure compliance. Compliance with approved protocols, compliance with relevant regulatory authorities, compliance with ICS-GCP, and all relevant standard operating procedures. We also perform site monitoring, site initiations, feasibility, including close-out visits to verify data accuracy.
Strong partnerships begin with strong agreements. Our role is supporting the efficient contracting processes that help studies move from planning to activation while protecting the interests of sponsors, sites, and participants.
Delivering studies successfully requires careful financial planning and accountability. We work closely with project teams and sites to ensure studies are appropriately budgeted, resourced, and supported throughout their life cycle.
Clinical trials depend on strong regulatory foundations. My role is helping sites and sponsors navigate approvals efficiently while maintaining the high standards of compliance and ethics.
Building research capacity requires continuous learning. We support investigators, coordinators, nurses, and study teams through training that strengthens readiness for increasingly complex clinical trials.
We're continuously strengthening our network of organization and research sites. Our focus is on ensuring sites are prepared, capable, and ready to participate in studies today and in the future.
Clinical trials require coordination across different teams and locations. Our role is to ensure that everyone moves together towards the same goal.
Strong governance and risk management are essential for sustainable growth. Our role is ensuring accountability, transparency, and organizational resilience as the network expands.
Quality is not something we inspect at the end. It is designed and built into every process right from the beginning.
High-quality research depends on high-quality data.
Our team works to ensure data is collected accurately, reviewed consistently, and managed according to the highest standards of quality.
At ACRN, we are building systems that ensure data protection, interoperability, and operational efficiency.
So we are developing digital solutions that help research teams work smarter and scale efficiently.
Reliable clinical research depends on secure and resilient technology infrastructure. So we support the systems, connectivity, and platforms that allow the team across the network to work effectively.
Accuracy matters at every stage. Our work helps to ensure that research findings can always be trusted.
Every sample we receive represents each participant's contribution to research.
Our responsibility is ensuring every sample is handled with precision, quality, and integrity.
Clinical research begins with trust. We work with communities to ensure that they understand research and feel respected throughout the research journey.
Many research sites have talented investigators and clinical team, but limited data support capacity. We work closely with sites to provide data entry and data management support that improves our quality and reduces our backlog and helps us to stay on track.
Building sustainable research capacity requires more than delivering individual studies. It requires developing scientific leadership, strengthening institutions, and creating opportunities for African researchers to lead and shape the research agenda.
Behind every successful study is a strong operational backbone. Our team coordinates study logistics, equipment deployment, site support, sample movement, and operational planning to ensure that studies run efficiently across multiple locations. We focus on solving problems before they become delays.
What excites you most about the future?
More scientific leadership from Africa.
Faster and more efficient study activation.
Stronger and more capable research sites.
More studies reaching more participants.
Stronger partnerships across the research ecosystem.
Greater trust between researchers and communities.
Developing the next generation of African research professionals.
Using high-quality data to drive better research outcomes.
Over the last 18 months, ACRN has grown from an ambitious idea into a dynamic Africa-led clinical research organization with more than 115 team members across Zimbabwe and South Africa, and an expanding network of partners, sites, investigators, and communities across the continent. We are building more than research infrastructure. We are building trust, capability, scientific leadership, and a new model for how high-quality clinical research can be led from Africa, for Africa, and with global impact. As we look ahead, we are energized by the opportunity before us to be a catalytic driver of change on the continent, strengthening health systems, accelerating access to innovation, and ensuring that African communities are not only included in research, but help shape its future. This is who we are. This is what we are building, and this is only the beginning.